Naglagak nga ang ating pamahalaan ng 19.7 billion pesos, 20% stake po ito doon sa pagmamay-ari ng Synergy Grid and Development Corporation. Yan yung Filipino-owned na bahagi ng NGCP. At sinabi po ni CEO and President ng Maharlika Investment Corporation, si Ginoong Consing, na ito daw ay makatutulong na mapababa ang bayarin ng mga Pilipino sa kuryente. Would you agree, and how is this possible po?
I would agree that it will eventually may epekto to sa presyo, because if we talk about prices, paano ka nakakarating sa presyo ng transmission is based on performance niya, no? Kung efficient siya, kung inefficient siya, kung delayed siya or on time yung project. Lahat kasi niyan na factors may epekto sa presyo. So eventually, if there's a collaboration between government and ang private natin na NGCP, I think that's a good way forward, para may accountability din at mabantayan ng maayos ng gobyerno. Pero hindi po ang epekto sa presyo, hindi po ngayon o bukas, siguro mga panahon, kailangan pa natin ng panahon yan kasi kailangan tignan din ng gobyerno kung anong ginagawa ng NGCP.
Oo. So Yusek Sharon, kasi nga ito rin, meron rin na Congressman Paul Daza raised also the concern because electricity power, the power sector is highly regulated. So ang pangamba niya, paano yan? Like ngayon, diba, parang sinuscrutinize ng Kongreso ang pagmamay-ari ng NGCP, diba, dahil nga yung chairman is Chinese, tapos parang yung takot na in the press of a red button, mawawala na po yung transmission dito sa Pilipinas. So fears like that, is always present. And now if Maharlika Investment has bought 2 shares sa Synergy Corporation, paano ngayon daw yung check and balance niyan? Parang yung gobyerno, how will we regulate it now if there are things that have to be regulated and if government is part of that? How do you answer that?
Hindi naman kasi ang regulation kasi is based on the price, di ba? So as far as we are ERC, Energy Regulatory Commission, pag nag-submit ng NGCP ng papeles niya, dokumento niya, whatever is required of them, dyan i-determine magkano ba i-charge ng NGCP. Now, as to the management, the internal operations, that's for our members of the board na government participation can come in. Kasi Ali, hindi naman yan kasi regulation as to the operations. Hindi naman nakikialam yung ERC dyan Pero it affects us, no? It affects us. So yun yung pinaka-importante na role niya. So I think hindi naman siya conflict because what is the root of ano ba talaga yung cause ng problema na to? Kung ano yung basis natin? Kung we're talking about legally lang, it's the franchise of NGCP and the concession agreement. Ang regulation ng ERC, DOE at iba pang agencies is dependent kung ano man ang sinabi sa franchise. So it's high time that we review the franchise.
Attorney Yusek, Sharon, meron na bring up kasi, some topic was brought up by Congressman Joey Salceda na I think it was the start of the year when he cautioned MIC against buying into NGCP. Dahil meron daw pagkakautang na in the hundreds of billions. I think it's 200 billion, dahil nga parang it was flagged na merong mga gastusin ng NGCP na hindi naman dapat ipasa sa mga consumer. Bilang abogado na rin siya, Attorney Yusek, eto ba pwede bang kailangan bang mag-alala ang consuming public, itong nagbabayad ng kuryente na maaring ipasa sa amin itong napakalaking pagkakautang ng NGCP?
Hindi naman po. First of all, siguro yung MIC, yung Maharlika natin, hindi naman yan papasok sa NGCP kung hindi maayos ang pag-evaluate nila. Siguro nag-audit din yan sila, tinignan din nila yung mga financial statements. And second, tinignan namin yung kami rin nabahala din nung nakita namin yung press release ni the good
Joey
chairman of Ways and Means. Hindi kasi yan mga utang actually. Those are, the 200 billion is not exactly utang. Medyo na siguro iba lang yung pagkaka-appreciate because most of them are capital expenditures actually na nireport ng ano. Yun yung nire-report nila para sabihin ng NGCP, ito yung ginastos namin or ito yung gagastosin namin, magkano yung pwede namin singil sa bayan. So it goes through the process pa naman. Merong iba doon na hindi dapat talaga i-recover ng NGCP like yung mga
Advertising.
access nila, yung mga patulong nila sa mga communities like the
CSR, no?
Oo.
CSR nila, yun, yung mga hindi allowed yan. Pero the others are allowed naman.
Oo.
So, we did check that. Medyo tama naman yung figure pero hindi yung buo na yun is utang or disallowed.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.